Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the bar and chain on a chainsaw. At the moment it's a Husqvarna 372. It's got a 15-inch bar. I use this when I'm doing small limbing jobs, and I got a big 24-inch bar and chain here. So should swap them over now. Undo the bar nuts, slingshot. Yep. Undo the bar nuts. Slacken off side tensioner. On me. Take the nuts all the way off. Second. Nuts all the way off. Side cover off. Chain off. I take it off from the sprocket first. Off the front sprocket and the back sprocket. The tip. Bar off. Give my other bar and put it on. Sometimes you can give it a bit of a clean. Wipe them off down here. A bit of paper. I got paper there. A second. Dropping everything there. A bit of a clean up. A bit of a clean. Right. Not too bright. 1 second. Better. What I'll do, clean the bar out. I got a bit of a little tool here for cleaning the groove in the bar. Just put it on the front. Don't pull it. Always pull it away from your front sprocket. Tip. So clean it out. Get all that coming out today. See all that then? Watch now. All sawdust. Get all this out of here. These come in the kits, these do. This was an Oregon one in the Oregon kit. Scrape any sawdust off. Just want to clean it all out. All by here. Again, pull from the tip. Clean back. Top and bottom. Clean it all out. Want to make sure you clean these, keep these clean. They're oil holes. From the bar on normal. Sometimes you want to tip it, swap it over every so often, turn your bar around, even if the writing's upside down, because you have the same way then on the nose. All the same, equal, even way. So on this one, here's your oiler. Want to make sure that's clear, otherwise you'll be in trouble. Sometimes you can use compressed air, but that's clean now, it is. Wrong way. Make sure it's clean. Right, let's put it on in shot. So what I do, slide it back there. So it's against the sprocket. Get a chain, big chain, a 24-inch bar, 3/8. I said in an earlier video, when you put the chain, I see so many people put chains on backwards. You want the depth gauge in front of the tooth. That's pretty much, you can't go wrong then. Amp, depth gauge, then the tooth. So the depth gauge is facing towards your front sprocket, your tip. I put it on the back first, the sprocket. I drop it onto the top of the bar. Just take it to the front, line up with the drop on there. You see that? Then I move it forward. Big bars are quite awkward. Make sure it goes. There we are. But you want to watch the back. The chain don't go behind or in front, because that's what a lot of people do wrong. Put it as tight as you can. Then quickly cover, bit of a wipe out. All that sawdust in there. Give him a wipe out. Could have a little brush. I've got a little brush somewhere. But I'll wipe out, that's all. Oh, just bloody drop that off there. Put that back on. Away. So that's all, that's cleaner. That's alright. So this little pin here got to line up in the bar. So you might pull the bar backwards or forwards. That's you're going to line up. You might have to move it, yeah, I have to move it because there's a different size bar on it. I'm going to line it up with a different bar. What I do then, put the nuts back on, just snag them up by hand. Right. These big bars are a bit awkwarder than the little ones put on like. That's what I thought I'd show you. What I do, snag them up then. See the chain lifting up into it? Watch that, watch the chain lifting up. So I'll tension it up. But it's got to drop, it's got to go up into the bar. Well, actually not bad, eh? What I'll do is lift the front of these long bars. They've got to be lifted up as you tighten them. Use my scrunch, the chainsaw tool, just to lift them up a bit more. That's gone slack. They either sometimes go slack or sometimes go too tight when you tighten them. So let it off. You definitely want to lift the end, the tip of the bar. A little bit tight. I just know by the spring to it, that's too loose. See how much is lifting? Too much is lifting. To give it a go, right? It's not bad. Let's see what that's like. Nib it up a bit more. You definitely don't want no slack. I see some people, when you see the chain hanging down underneath, you want to be springing back in. Could go a bit more now, but that's not bad. And when you're tightening, I'll show you the way to tighten, the right way to tighten. When I've done my chainsaw course, a lot of people would push on the bar like that. Well, that's the wrong way. Do not push like that because you could slip off. Whoop, cut yourself like that. Whoop, cut yourself. So do not tighten up the nuts pushing on top like that. Put your scabbard or something. So not marking your teeth, damaging your teeth. Rather turn them like that. Just cover. And then you tighten underneath the saw. Pull away from the bar. Like that. Snag them up. That's how I do it. And also is keeping the front of the bar up as well, same time. Could be a little bit tighter. I'm happy enough with that. You've got a bit of spring. You want a bit of spring to it. Well, that's how I change the chain and bar on a chainsaw. Alright. Hope that helps someone. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.